Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe. It's a lot easier than trying to buy the right train ticket from a German ticket machine. Your support means a lot. Now let's get started. Question number 121. You are looking for somewhere to park on the right edge of the street. There is no cycle path to the right of your lane. How many meters before and after a junction are you not allowed to park? On the right-hand hard shoulder only. False. On the left and right-hand hard shoulders. False. In front of and behind junctions up to 5 meters from the intersection of the roadway edges. True. Parking restrictions are for safety. Question number 122. Where is it forbidden to stop? On any one-way road. False. In non-parking zones. False. In front of fire service access roads. True. Access must remain clear for emergencies. Question number 123. You are looking for a place to park on the right edge of the carriageway. A cycle path runs alongside to the right of the carriageway. How many meters before a junction or an intersection are you prohibited from parking? In front of intersections and junctions up to 8 meters from the intersection of the roadway edges. Specific distance is crucial for safety. Question number 124. What should you do if you see a vehicle with its hazard lights on? I continue driving just as before. False. Awareness of hazards is important. I reduce my speed. True. Slowing down is safer near potential hazards. I ready myself for hazards occurring suddenly. True. Be prepared for unexpected events. Question number 125. For which purposes is a horn allowed to be used outside built-up areas? As a warning signal. True. Horns signal potential danger. As an overtaking signal. True. Indicates overtaking intentions. As a calling signal. False. Not for attracting attention. Question number 126. For which purposes is a horn allowed to be used in built-up areas? As a warning signal. True. Horns warn of danger. As an overtaking signal. False. Not for this purpose in built-up areas. As a calling signal. False. Not as an attention signal. Question number 127. What do you do in case of a breakdown in a tunnel? Let the engine run by way of precaution. False. Turn off the engine to avoid fumes. Switch on the hazard warning lights. True. Warns others of your presence. If possible, park the vehicle in an emergency bay. True. Safest location in a tunnel. Question number 128. You are driving in a tunnel and approach the end of a traffic jam. What do you do? Make a U-turn and leave the tunnel. False. U-turns in tunnels are dangerous. At the end of the traffic jam, switch off the engine and leave the vehicle. False. Stay in the vehicle for safety. Switch on the hazard warning lights. True. Alerts following drivers to the jam. Question number 129. What must you remember concerning the lighting equipment of your vehicle? It must be correctly installed. True. Ensures functionality and safety. It must be clean. True. Dirty lights can impair visibility. It must be in operating condition. True. Non-functional lights are a safety hazard. Question number 130. How is it possible to prevent oncoming traffic being dazzled by the passing beam? Only permissible light bulbs may be used in each of the headlights. True. Correct bulbs reduce glare. The headlight setting should be checked after every repair. True. Proper alignment avoids dazzling. The headlight range can be adjusted depending on the load carried by the vehicle. True. Adjusting for load prevents dazzling. Question number 131. When must you wait at a level crossing? When a flashing red light comes on, true, indicates a need to stop for safety. When the barriers are being lowered, true, lowered barriers mean stop. When a railway employee is waving a white flag, true, signals to stop from an official. Question number 132. You are approaching a level crossing with half barriers and flashing lights. The red light is flashing, but the barrier is still open. What do you do? Proceed as long as the half barrier is open. False. Red light means stop. If no rail vehicle is in sight, cross the level crossing. False. Visibility doesn't negate the red light. Wait in front of the St. Andrew's Cross. True. Safety measure for red light. Question number 133. A railway employee is waving a red lamp at a level crossing. What does this mean? You must wait in front of the level crossing. True. Red lamp indicates stopping. You may cross the rails carefully. False. Red lamp means do not cross. The red lamp is of no significance for you. False. Must heed all railway signals. Question number 134. You are approaching a level crossing where the barriers are open. What do you do? Proceed at the same speed as road traffic always has precedence in such cases. False. Caution is still necessary. Approach at moderate speed. Look along the railway line. True. Ensure safety by checking for trains. Wait in front of the level crossing if you would have to wait on it because of traffic congestion. True. Avoid stopping on tracks. Question number 135. At the entrance to an industrial estate, there is a St. Andrew's Cross with the supplementary sign, Industrial Estate, Rail Vehicles Have Precedence. What must you remember? Rail vehicles have precedence at all level crossings. True. Give way to trains. Motor vehicles have precedence at level crossings without St. Andrew's Cross. False. Still need to be cautious. Approach level crossings at moderate speed only. True. Speed control is essential for safety. Question number 136. You are driving along a forest track and approach a level crossing without St. Andrew's Cross. What do you do? Listen out in case a rail vehicle signals its approach by whistling or ringing a bell. True. Stay alert for signals. Proceed without taking any special precautions since rail vehicles are required to wait here. False. Caution is needed. Proceed at moderate speed and check to see if a rail vehicle is approaching. True. Always confirm safety. Question number 137. What do you do at a level crossing when the barriers are closed? Wait before the St. Andrew's Cross without obstructing junctions. True. Keep clear of crossings. If possible, switch on the side lights when it is dark. True. Improves visibility and safety. Use the road area and wait directly in front of the barrier. False. Keep a safe distance from the barrier. Question number 138. When are you allowed to cross a level crossing with flashing lights but no barriers after a train has passed? Immediately after the train has passed, even if the flashing red light is still on. False. Wait for the light to stop flashing. As soon as the oncoming traffic sets off, even if the flashing red light is still on. False. Follow the light signal, not traffic. When the flashing red light goes out, true. Safe to cross when light stops flashing. Question number 139. You are approaching a level crossing with barriers. Where must you wait if you would have to stop on the rails in case of traffic congestion? Level with the barrier. False. Keep a safe distance. In front of the St. Andrew's Cross. True. Safest position to wait. Just before the rails. False. Avoid stopping on or near tracks. Question number 140. The barrier of a level crossing inside a built-up area is closed. Where must you wait? Before the last beacon. False. Not the correct waiting position. Before the first beacon. False. Maintain a safer distance. In front of the St. Andrew's Cross. True. Standard position for waiting.